everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2015 Buick Regal Premium 1 in a gray metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. Moving right below that, you'll see that it also comes with beautiful running LED fog lights and that beautiful chrome trim there running along the bottom. And then as we come here towards the middle, you'll see that beautiful black roll insert along with the chrome trim along the outer edge. And then finally here from the front end, you'll see that beautiful chrome Buick logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now there is a couple of things to be noted here on the exterior as well before we show you guys this beautiful interior. Here on your rear view mirrors, you will have turn signal indicators on the back. And then here on the door handles, as long as that key's in your pocket and you press that little button, it'll lock and unlock. But moving forward, let's go ahead and show you guys this beautiful interior. This is going to come with a premium leather tan interior with some of this beautiful tan stitching. And then as we turn around here to the dash, you'll see that beautiful gray matte finish dash with some of this chrome and wood grain finish here in the middle. And then it will stay consistent with that tan color here on your glove box. But while we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Buick, you will have 6 and 32 seconds for your tire depths all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 9 and 32 seconds with your rear brakes being 10 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, that beautiful tan leather interior will stay consistent. And then here behind your driver and passenger seat, you will have your own individual air vents as well as a small storage compartment and a 150 watt outlet. And then looking here between the back seats, you will also have a pull down middle console equipped with 2 cup holders and another small storage compartment. Coming around here to the back, there is a couple of things so that you can guarantee not to back up in anything. You will have parking sensors back here, as well as a backup camera. But while we're back here, let's go ahead and pop this trunk, showing you guys just exactly how much trunk space there actually is. Now, as you can see, there is plenty of room back here to haul groceries or anything you can possibly think of. Moving now to some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Your trunk release will also be located here on the door panel, and it will come with power seat adjustments as well. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up here on your driver display and your middle display from Buick. And you'll also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 100,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel behind, you will have the options for all of your headlight adjustments, as well as the option to change your brightness driver display. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side will be all your windshield wiper adjustments. On the left side, you're going to have all of your cruise control options and your touch to talk here on those 2 buttons, as well as your heated steering wheel option. And then here on the right side, you are going to have some options for closing the distance between the vehicle you are behind for your cruise control, as well as your middle display options. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, a backup camera. Now, above that touchscreen display, you will have your traction control, your 4-ways, and your parking sensors. And if you don't want to use the large touchscreen display, there are some manual options there as well. Coming down here, you're going to have all of the climate control at the touch of your fingertips. There is a small storage compartment located down there below with a 12-volt plug-in. Your beautiful shifter knob. Another small storage compartment. Your parking brake. 2 cup holders that can be easily covered up. And a large center console equipped with 2 USB ports, an auxiliary line in, and another 12-volt plug-in. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have the option to connect this to your garage door, opening and closing from the press of a button. And then you are also going to have the option for lighting for your driver and passenger. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 2.0 liter i4F DOHC 16V engine. You also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips, and like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep it garage kept its entire life. This passenger front tire seems to be in great condition, no curb rash on that. Coming back here along the body, as far as I can see, no scratches, no marks, no dings on this passenger side, and this rear tire also seems to be in good condition, no curb rash on that as well. However, as we make our way back here towards the trunk, you are going to have some typical trunk scratches back here. And like I mentioned in every other video as well, these are very typical in used vehicles. Other than those trunk scratches, this rear is in great condition. Coming here to the driver's side of the body, once again, seems to be in great condition. No scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents. This rear tire is in also very good condition, no curb rash on that. And then finally, to end it off here up on this front driver's side tire, there is going to be some small curb rash there. However, this rim is also in great condition. This is a very well-maintained 2015. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2015 Buick Regal Premium 1. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, PA.